is the Blackview Oscal C20. A new brand from Blackview, even though they don't want it to seem like it's from Blackview, it is indeed from Blackview. So this one has 1 gig of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, a Freddy-free 80 mAh battery, Android 11 Go edition, 6.88-inch display, and a new processor called the Unisoc SC7731E, which I've never heard of it before, but hopefully the performance won't be too bad. All this for 50 bucks. Even though now you can see it for around 70 bucks. I think that's kind of a ripoff, but still a pretty good price. But I got this for $50. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this is the phone. Only the brave. So we get like a matte plastic, doesn't feel too bad. So in the back is removable, and the battery is removable as well. And see there's like a certain no tower. This phone is good to go. And this is where you put your 2 SIMs and your micro SD slot. In the box are micro USB cable and our charging brick. And that is pretty much it. Other than that, we just get a manual or a quick start guide, and yeah. First impressions, the display is pretty decent for $50. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Alright, so the phone is finished setting up, and first impressions, it's not as laggy as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, it's pretty slow, but for the specs, that is to be expected. But yeah, I was gonna download a few apps, but there's a blackout, so there's no Wi-Fi. And I can't use a hotspot because there's barely any reception where I live. So this is gonna be difficult. This phone doesn't have a fingerprint unlock, but there's a face unlock, so we're gonna try that out if it even ever. Okay. Don't know what that was. Okay. Let's see how it works. That was pretty slow. Let's try close up. Also pretty slow. So yeah, face unlock is not that great. I mean, sure it works now, but it's really slow, and I doubt it's gonna work in like real life situations. Oh wow, this is so laggy. Ah. It's literally unplayable. I don't think. How did I not lose yet? What? I just want to disable the ad. Okay, thank you. That's surprisingly better. What? That's weird. Alright, it's still laggy, but a lot less now that we disabled ads for some reason. Which is really a shame because these ads are destroying the gaming experience for these phones. It's just sad in my opinion. And this game is very laggy as well. Yeah, I don't think there's any need to continue. So yeah, this phone is not very good for gaming. Not gonna test PUBG for obvious reasons. So yeah, let's just move on. Okay, YouTube's taking forever to load. Actually, the speaker is pretty quiet, but the quality overall is decent for $50, and we do have a headphone jack right here, so gotta keep that in mind. Back camera is 5 megapixels. Front camera is 1.9 megapixels. They could have just said 2 megapixels, I don't know why. the bottom of that. Rear video is 720p. Front video is also 720p. You also have a pro mode. Let's see what that is. Okay, can't really change much, just the ISO, white balance, and this. So yeah, we're just gonna stick to the regular capture mode, because I'm guessing the camera isn't that good anyway. All right. Go to video mode. Okay, let's go outside. Rear facing video. Can't see, can barely see what I'm doing. Hopefully it's focusing. Front facing video. Let me know what you think. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? Well, if you can find it for $50, then I think it's worth it, because you know it works, like it barely works, but it still works. So for $50, I think you get what you pay for. I mean, for the price, the display is decent, speakers decent, camera's decent, like just a very decent phone for the price. But if you're coming from something more advanced like a Xiaomi or a Samsung, then yeah, you're gonna feel the difference. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.